Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to show you what am I going to do when removing a stuck bolt on my turbo. This bolt is actually at the top and it got stripped. Now I need to remove it my way. Enjoy.
Wow, that's turbo is in the way.
Hey guys, if you're looking for sprinter parts for this 3.0 for instance, or 2.7 liter, I have an eBay store, Zimaleta Motors. There's going to be a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. If you see something that you like, let me know, and if you want to negotiate, that's great. I like negotiating on the price. I always offer fast and free shipping.
What a long bolts. It's ridiculous. Why would they put such long bolts? Okay, now we need to see if we could get this thing loose. Okay, excuse me, Jason. What's out? Yep. So let's see what really is the matter here. So this turbo installs, just installs with these two bolts. And then you could just remove it.
They don't look the same. But this one is little, this one's big. Whoa! I can take this bolt off.
Oh, come on, Jason. Oh, it's one more. Just can't see it back there. Where's the bin? This is heavy. Piece of steel.
Can I see how heavy it is?
Yeah, that's it.
It's not heavy.
Well, it's a heavy part. It's all steel.
Babies cannot pick that steel up at all.
Yeah, babies can't, but you can. Because you're not a baby.
The steel is really heavy. It's so heavy. The big steel is heavy.
Okay. Here's my tool.
What are you doing, Jason?
Give me
making my feet cold.
You are? Can you not do that?
Okay.
It's distracting. What are you doing?
Taking these bolts off.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, you almost hit me in the face with that.
You should stand back.
Stand back. Are you kidding me?
Look, I took it off.
Oh, jeez. Jason, please, just let me disconnect this part. Why is it not getting disconnected? So I disconnected that like that then. Well, don't tell me there's another one. Hold on.
There's another one of those.
Oh, there is. Except it's being held on by...
Look at this. This is what's so difficult.
Right now I'm trying to figure out how to remove this piece. Looks like it's controlling the swirl valves.